Hey everybody, it's Brianna here, and in today's music video, we're going to be taking a trip to the beach with a song called A Gentle Wave by Stephanie Leavell. We're going to be practicing our deep breaths and thinking about all of the sounds that happen at the beach, but not just thinking about them, but hearing them. Over in this corner, I'll be playing the ocean drum, so you'll be able to see me playing the ocean drum and hear those awesome ocean sounds. So first things first, let's practice taking some deep breaths together. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a deep breath out through your mouth. Let's do another one. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Now, we're not just going to be thinking about the beach, but we're going to be taking those big, deep breaths in through our nose and out through our mouths. For any parents that are watching, make sure that you exaggerate it a ton to make sure that they're taking the biggest breath they've taken all day. Deep breaths in. You can even use the arms and deep breaths out. All right, my friends, if you guys are ready to get started, let's go. You guys ready? All right, I want you to think about the beach and all the things that you guys see at the beach. I see the ocean, and I see sand, and I see seagulls and fish, and I see seaweed in that ocean. I see the ocean making waves, big and small. And I'm thinking about it all while the sun shines on my face and on my legs. Take a deep breath in. Perfect. Now keep doing those deep breaths while I sing. Let's go. An ocean breath, like a great big wave, drifting off to sea, taking worries away. Breathe in the smells of the ocean breeze and feel the sand beneath your feet. A gentle wave, breathe in. A gentle wave, breathe out. An ocean breath, like a great big wave, drifting off to sea, taking worries away. Breathe in the smells of the ocean breeze and feel the sand beneath your feet. A gentle wave, breathe in. A gentle wave, breathe out. A gentle wave, breathe in. A gentle wave, breathe out. An ocean breath, like a great big wave, drifting off to sea, taking worries away. Breathe in the smells of the ocean breeze and feel the sand beneath your feet. All right, guys, I hope you liked that trip to the ocean, and I hope that you feel relaxed and calm, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.